Yeah, 540 million.
The Lord.
Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's episode of Jamaica Live at 5. I'm Danielle.
And I'm Javon. But before we start the episode, we have a big announcement. So yesterday was the birthday of our producer, Jessica. Happy birthday, Jessica.
Happy birthday,
We love you so much and your hard work. So continue to keep on imparting knowledge on us and help us develop our craft. So you want to start the episode, Danielle?
So this week at number 5, we have the Sagicor Sigma Run.
Yes.
It was a big event. It is the biggest running event.
26,000 people,
Yeah.
over 26,000 people.
The people them come out and festive
Yes.
and healthy.
So the Sigma Run is for the Clifton Boys Home that burnt down in 2017. That was very sad. The Savannah Lamar Hospital and the Bustamante Hospital. Yeah.
Hospital.
So the money that they raised, the $55 million, over $55 million, is geared towards developing these charities. So I'm very happy. This is a good
I
move
hope
for
no more
Sagicor.
story no but so which part the money there. The money is going to go where it is supposed to go.
Yeah, so this is a family event. That's what I love about it. Many families came out, you know, babies in stroller.
Yes, I saw them. It was so cute. Like families came out running. Like this event really brings together Jamaicans.
Everybody in Jamaica.
Yeah, because Andrew Holness was there.
Other celebrities,
other
Yendi
celebrities.
Phillips,
And regular people. Everybody just run together and be one to help all these beautiful places.
So I was there and I missed you, Danielle. So I hope you get to go there next year with me. So still a millions of dollars, Danielle. At number 4, the government has allocated $540 million
bricks
to small, micro and medium enterprises. So Danielle, I'm extremely happy about this.
This is just another way the government is going about providing employment opportunities for young people. You know, these businesses or new businesses will be able to get loans for
their capital.
Capital and to pay working capital, like to pay their employees.
Inventory and their stuff.
Everything.
Yeah.
Government will look out for you. You see that?
Yes, and this can also be a motivating factor for persons to create businesses to benefit the economy.
You know what, we want something, get one of these loans.
But the concern is though, what type of jobs?
Yeah, I know. You can't please people, you know. Government say, oh, I have a little change, I go share it amongst the masses, and people still are find fault. I mean, I understand what people are saying, that, you know, the jobs are, what kind of job we can
because
get.
persons are still fighting to fulfill the basic needs and cost of living and everything.
But what not to say that government isn't supposed to invest more, that is not what I'm saying. But one better than zero.
Yeah, it's a step in the right direction, but we still have a far way to go. So
thank you.
Let us know what you think, Livers. Do you think this is necessary, or is the same old poverty? Comment and let us know. And speaking of up and coming businesses, I'm sure you're wondering why me and Daniel kind of match today. We'll come out in our outfits. So our outfits are from the today's new fashion
boutique.
Yes, what is it, Daniel?
Shop 9 Regency Plaza, Mineral Heights. Yes, Maypen.
And you can get all your authentic and affordable clothing.
The good things, them.
Alistair, H&M, Forever 21, Gucci, everything you can get
nice
down
and
there.
cheap and affordable,
Every day you get a discount. Every single day you get a discount. So go ahead and check out today's new fashion boutique.
Oh, no, ever hear nothing go so? Every day them give a discount.
So just to say the address again, Shop 9
Regency Plaza, Mineral Heights, Maypen, Clarendon. On a can't last, Google Maps it. And our number 3 story for this week is Cornwallian Shane Monroe is the new CEO of the MBJ Airports Limited, and he's actually the first Jamaican to hold this post.
And persons are talking about his effectiveness and whether or not...
Let me guess. Persons being
Twitter, of course. Okay. Twitter, of course. They're talking about whether or not he will be effective, like Raphael Echavarren was. I'm sure I butchered that name there, but they're talking about if he will carry along the legacy of developing the airport. You know, they have a $70 million budget.
Listen, Twitter, me sick and tired. Oh no, this man is more than qualified.
Yeah, because he's been there for 18 years.
He has a master's degree in aviation.
So education, experience, he's more than fitting for the job.
Give the man a chance.
Yeah, let's see what he does with the $70 million that is allocated for developing. You know, they have to develop the runway and modernizing the airport for the millions of people who travel through there yearly. So let's see what Shane does.
We just, people please, just the man that even started to not talk about predecessor and something him not doing first, something yet. Wait no man. So at number 2 this week, Javon, we have the appointment of Matthew Samuda to...
things are going to Jamaica, boy.
We have the appointment of Matthew Samuda to Minister without Portfolio, National Security.
Yes.
And Jamaica, I feel like Jamaicans, well, Twitter and Twitter people, they're happy.
So he's 35 years old. He's going to be the youngest to have a ministerial profile. And this is a testament to what Carrie Douglas was saying about the party. So if you don't see that episode, you can just go watch it. So Carrie Douglas, who said that the JLP is taking youth into consideration and youth development and ministers. So this is a testament to that.
So you know, fun fact, Minister Samuda was actually the president of the G2K, which is the youth arm of the Jamaica Labour Party.
And he's also the son of Carl Samuda, Honorable Carl Samuda, so
it's a family thing. No, but I mean, he grew up in politics, so people
political
expect,
culture, political socialization. So it's a normal thing for him to enter politics. So
I am happy for him. I'm happy for you, Matthew
and
Samuda.
Congratulations, Matthew Samuda, for your role and carry out the work of the people. Continue to carry out the work of the people. So a new social media challenge has surfaced the internet, Daniel. So last week we had the broom challenge, and this week at number 1 we have the jump trip challenge. So the essence of the challenge is that you have 2 persons and one in the middle, and the 2 persons first jump and then the one in the middle jump afterwards and they trip them. So the person in the middle don't know.
Yeah, most times
they don't know. But so 2 persons are already affected by this. You know, 2 persons in the hospital, 2 students from Meadowbrook and
one guy from Meadowbrook,
and the Kingston Tech, and Kingston Tech girl
head wrap up and everything. Look here.
We need to take precautions. Parents and principals of schools, we need to take precautions.
And the
Sensitize
Ministry
them not to do
of Education is actually saying schools on a need for put like drastic measures in place for students who participate in this challenge, because as you can see, like, people are going to hospital for this.
And if you're a student watching this, please don't do it.
And parents talk to a picnic on the need to go back to the old school. And if me ever hear say you don't at your school, I do no jump trip challenge, I say come down there, come jump and trip your backside.
And it speaks to the how popular social media is amongst our young children and how it can affect them.
The other day was Safe for Internet Day.
Yes, with Terry Carrell and my friend Daniel Mullins. We just haven't plugged that. But they had the Safer Internet symposium, and they talk about cyberbullying and how we should take safety measures on social media, students and so forth.
Challenges like these are the reason organizations need to come in to like spread more awareness about these dangerous stunts and pranks that people are playing on the internet.
And so far for the jump trip challenge, the Ministry of Education has already responded. And the NSSC, the National Secondary Students Council, came on board and they released a video about how dangerous this is.
Let's jump. What did you think was going to happen?
I know that ridiculous jump trip challenge. How ridiculous. Broken leg, arm, severe spinal damage that can lead to death. This needs to stop. I repeat, this needs to stop.
But Daniel, more organizations need to come on board and sensitize people how to use the internet safely, social media safely, because it is being detrimental.
Yes, and police actually, they're warning students that you know they can be charged for doing this. You know, because you injure people, what did expect?
I hear that thing that.
A message from the National Secondary Students Council.
Yeah, so use your social media wisely, kids, and don't follow challenges that will be harmful to you and others. So there you have it, the top 5 news stories for this week. And just to run out to recap so you can remember, at number 5,
the Sagicor Sigma 5K run.
Number 4,
government allocates $540 million to help small businesses.
Number 3,
first Jamaican promoted to airport CEO.
Number 2,
Matthew Samuda joins the cabinet. internet.
And number 1,
the jump trip challenge.
So guys, that's your news stories for this week, and go and like, share, comment and subscribe to all our videos on our YouTube
Everybody
page.
subscribe, so get to know grandma and a friend and everybody
just subscribe to our YouTube page. And then just go on over to Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at Jamaica Live News and follow us. And don't forget to check out today's new fashion boutique page and just get some authentic and affordable clothing. Jamaica Live, your cultural bridge.